Welcome to an awesome STR video lesson. This time we're going to focus on why we like to trade with other people. Specifically, we have three main topics to talk about. How we get trade ideas from other people, how being a community of other traders can make us feel better about our trades, and how the fact that if we have great trading friends, we'll call them, we have a quote-unquote social commitment to trading. So for the first one, working with other traders, we get to bounce around ideas. Not only ideas, but different strategies, different individual stocks, all kinds of things. Here at STR, I get to work with a team of wonderful, experienced traders, and it helps me out a lot. Why? Not only in the morning when I'm rushing and going through our list and all kinds of hundreds of stocks and scanners, do I have other traders to help me find the best stocks, the best setups, and the important pieces of news that are really important in the trading day. I also have them to help me think of other trading strategies. Maybe there's a certain piece of news on the stock, right? But I don't understand the chart, and my coworker Greg Matthews, with his experience, has seen this before, and he can very easily tell me and help me understand why we see this certain thing in the chart, how I can profit off of this. Because at the end of the day, working with other people, you get to see other minds, other eyes, other ways of seeing things, and we all bring different things to the table. This is why it's so awesome for me working at STR. People ask me, you're an experienced trader, why work at Stocks Trading Room? You have an account, you can make money. Well, to this I always say, well, I have a team of wonderful people that can help me improve as a trader. And not only do they help me have a higher profitability rate, but they help me improve and grow and take my trading to the next level. Because at the end of the day, we all want to become really awesome traders, right? No one goes into trading with the idea, I want to lose money. No one, or I want to break even. Or I'll just lose all my commission. Everybody comes into this industry for one thing and one thing only. To make money. To have a better quality of life. To get the dream. To get the house. The car. Send the kids to college. More vacations. Extra income. Retirement. Everyone comes into trading. We may want different things, but we all want money because money is the profit. That is the avenue for us to get our goals. And having more traders around allows us to become more profitable. We get second opinions on when to set or stop, how to manage our risk, people to go over our trades, how to be more profitable. At the end of the day, I don't think I could be such an awesome trader, quote unquote, if it wasn't for my awesome and amazing perfect team of other traders. Sean, David, Greg, and everyone else. You guys have helped me take trading to the next level and to great and awesome things. This is why I'm so glad I worked at STR, or the Stocks Trading Room. I've learned different strategies, different kinds of stocks, all kinds of different things I never thought I would look at a stock, all kinds of other kind of factors. At the end of it, we all want to improve, we all want to get better, and having other traders around us allow us to improve much faster than we could on our own. Not only that, there are several theories in psychology regarding trading. One is that when we have other people go over our trade with us, it lets us have less pressure on the trade. This is something in psychology, and there's something else. Communicating with others about our trade, whether that's aloud or with a text, or just getting other people to listen to our trades, help us to have less pressure on these trades. So these two things in psychology, having other people look at our trades for us and talking to other people about our trades on our own trades in our own words, allow us to help manage pressure. At the end of the day, the psychological factor is a major factor in trading. There are a lot of people who can do really good in a demo account, but most people, when it's real money, have difficulty doing the same kinds of trades because dealing with the psychological pressure. At the end of the day, you do see money going up and down, and you think to yourself, wait, what if I lose this and this and this and this and this? This is why here at STR we like having the fact that we can talk to other traders about our trades. We can talk to them, we can get their opinions. They can sit down and they can go over it with us. Our trades, why we enter the trade, our stops, how to set our stops, when to take partials, how long to stay in the trade, how volume is going to affect the trade, level 2, how the level 2 future orders show us the future path of the stock, all kinds of things we can not only do on our own, but we can get other traders, Greg Matthews, Sean King, David, they can all come together, me, Daniel, we can all come together and we can all sit down and say, listen, we have all these different kinds of ideas, different theories, let's sit down together and think of the best possible solution. And this is why here at STR we're consistently profitable. Not because we have some kind of magic formula secret that we're hiding from the whole industry. It's because we have a great team, awesome people, and we can communicate with each other. We can talk to people. If I need to call Greg or to Sean and say, listen, I'm in this trade, I really want your opinion on this, they'll stop everything and make sure they go with me on that trade. They'll look at me at the fundamentals, the technicals, the earnings, how growth in earnings affects the stocks now that we're in earning seasons, and they'll take the time to help me become a profitable trader. But not only with our own team, but with our community members. Because we really enjoy helping our community members. Whether that's one of our members needs help looking at, let's say, Bank of America, he was into a trade, wants us to help him find a stop, take partials, and aim for future profitable activity, we're more than happy to sit down, stop everything, open a chart on Bank of America, do some technical analysis with him, walk him through, ask him why he was in the trade, how he got into the trade, what was his entry price, set stop loss, why did he set the stop loss, what was going through his head, and really help him one-on-one improve as a trader. Because here at the Stocks Trading Room, all we want to see is our traders and our members become better and better and better and to improve. And then they can help us become more profitable, and we can all become more profitable. This is the goal of STR, the Stocks Trading Room, to help people improve as better traders. And the fact that I get to work here, I get to have Greg, I get to have Sean, I get to have David, I get to have me, Daniel. We all make sure we follow stop losses. We all make sure we all have take partials. We all make sure we manage the trades correctly. Because think about it, if I went to the gym alone, or I did MMA, if I go to MMA alone, and I train on my own, I'm not gonna sit there and train as hard as I would if I had a training partner. Or if you lift weights, if someone's yelling at you, go for the next rep, you're gonna be much more aggressive with it. Having Greg Matthews sit next to me and make sure I'm aggressive with my stops, I'm aggressive at take partials, I follow my trading strategy to the law. This really makes sure I prove my trader, because at the end of the day, becoming successful in trading is all about finding the little nuances, the stop losses, what cents you set your stop loss, how many cents difference you set, how many cents you set your entry above the consolidation, and all kinds of other little things. These little decisions are the difference between profitability and losing money. It's why it's so important that you make sure you follow these rules. And being with other traders in our community, in our co-traders all over the world, we have an awesome community of traders from Europe, from America, from Asia, from Australia, from all over the world, from South America. It's amazing. They all bring their own ideas, their own different kinds of theories, trade ideas, whether they have a different stock or whether they want. We all go through our different trades together and make sure we follow our ideas together, and we're all a team. At the end of the day, STR is just a team of awesome traders that support each other and make sure we follow our trading strategy to the law. Why? Because if we don't, we're going to be the 90% of traders who fail. 90% of traders fail, 10% succeed, and 1% do really well. And we all want to be in that 10% that succeed. And we have to and here at STR, we make sure we help each other grow, and we make sure we all become profitable traders. This is why people want to join STR. Not because we have a magic secret, not because we're wizards, but because at the end of the day, we're just an awesome team of traders who like to support other traders and to share each other ideas. Everything we know in trading, we happily share with our trading members. We want to see them grow. We want to see them become successful. We want to see them go on to become awesome professional traders. That's what we want at STR. That's our goal. And this is why we're so happy we have this service and everyone can join. Because at the end of the day, trading is like a war. And think of your capital as your weapons and the market as a battlefield. And the more soldiers on your side, people on your side you have, the more likely you're going to win.